She eats an apple. She ate an apple. She will eat an apple. We watch TV. We watched TV. We will watch TV. They work hard. They worked hard. They will work hard. Birds fly in the sky. Birds flew in the sky. Birds will fly in the sky. The sun rises early. The sun rose early. The sun will rise early. My father cooks dinner. My father cooked dinner. My father will cook dinner. He drives a car. He drove a car. He will drive a car. I write letter. I wrote letter. I will write letter. I drink water. I drank water. I will drink water. Their baby cries loudly. Their baby cried loudly. Their baby will cry loudly. We study English. We studied English. We will study English. She sings well. She sang well. She will sing well. I clean my room. I cleaned my room. I will clean my room. I will clean my room. Children laughed happily. Children will laugh happily. The teacher explains lessons. The teacher explained lessons. The teacher will explain lessons. She opens the door. She opened the door. She will open the door. They buy fruits. They bought fruits. They will bought fruits. My mother washes clothes. My mother washed clothes. My mother will wash clothes. The dog barks loudly. The dog barked loudly. The dog will bark loudly. I draw pictures. I drew pictures. I will draw pictures. We walk to school. We walked to school. We will walk to school. The boy runs fast. The boy ran fast. The boy will run fast. My brother rides a bike. My brother rode a bike. My brother will ride a bike. The cat sleeps here. The cat slept here. The cat will sleep here. The girl smiles kindly. The girl smiled kindly. The girl will smile kindly. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I will read the newspaper. He kicks the ball. He kicked the ball. He will kick the ball. She waters the plants. She watered the plants. She will water the plants. The train arrives on time. The train arrived on time. The train will arrive on time. He carries a bag. He carried a bag. He will carry a bag.